Our company is basic manufacturer of probiotic cultures. We manufacture almost about 180 cultures, which is used for human healthcare, animal healthcare, and aquatic animal healthcare. We are basic manufacturer, and we know how to identify of the cultures from where source. And we are in a cattle business. We just now introduced one product called Prolact C, which is useful for cattle for enhancing the milk production, almost about 10 to 15% more milk, 1 to 2% fat more, and feed consumption is almost about 25% less. And in human healthcare, we are having almost about good range of products for making some blend to the companies, leading companies like Cipla, US Vitamins, then Intas. We are making P2P work also. And in aquatic animal healthcare also, we introduce our products, almost about 10 products we are introducing in aquatic healthcare. And there are some companies who are buying such type of blends from us also, where we are supplying to a big company like Intas. Then we are going to Cadila. Some of the companies buying from us directly blend and they are marketing on their own. Prolact C is a contents of 6 probiotic cultures. In this, like lactic acid, Bacillus coagulant, Acidophilus, Saccharomyces boulardii, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, enzymes, FOS and MOS, which gets to help you to enhance the milk production. Means generally when probiotic when you feed to animals, is when ruminant animals, you have to just feed on the top dressing on the feed before you taking the milk out. And this probiotic when they get into rumens, it maintain the first pH of the rumen. And yet fermentation process, it reduces the pH as well as other bacterial infection, E. coli, Salmonella, any harmful bacteria. Because of after feeding the probiotic, you will get maximum useful bacteria. Calling microbes will be more. Like each our gram is about 5.5 billion. When you give it 10 grams per day per animal, means almost 50 billion probiotic cultures goes into rumen, and which makes uses the digestion for the animal, to enhancing the milk production for proper utilization of the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals to synthesize properly. Yeah, we are heading to this exhibition where we are finding very good, too good. When you first come to know that there is a dairy show, now we are again participating in Bangalore Dairy Tech also, and really it's a worthful. We have a lot of people coming here, which is from rural places. They are knowing about, wanted to know what is the dairy. Now really we are finding wonders that now today dairy sector is coming very fast.